spoken. There are those who'd like to see you get broken. Keep singing your song and show you've got what it takes to be strong. As daytime always follows the night, I find things tend to turn out alright. Let me tell you, you're a fighter. Things are heavy, but they're gonna get lighter. Gonna crack on, because you've got what it takes to be strong. Oh, oh. Yeah. Last one standing. Every year you know it gets more demanding, but you're gonna crack on. Oh, now is the time to be strong. As daytime always follows the night, I find things tend to turn out alright. Let me tell you, you're a fighter. Things are heavy, but they're gonna get lighter. Gonna press on, because you've got what it takes to be strong. Yes, got what it takes to be strong. Oh, you've got what it takes when you don't get the breaks. You've got what it takes to be strong.